Hey GadInsiders! Is AI about to devour the software world? European tech giants are crashing this week, and it's all because of game-changing AI models like OpenAI's GPT-5. Stick around to see if your investments are next. This week, European AI adopters got hammered as fear spiked that advanced AI could flip software and data analytics upside down. Heavyweights like Germany's SAP and France's Dassault systems tanked on Tuesday, sparked by a downgrade of U.S. rival Adobe. Since mid-July, London's LSEG plummeted 14.4%, UK Sage dropped 10.8%, and France's Capgemini slid 12.3%. These firms have been betting big on AI to power up their products, riding the wave that's boosted U.S. markets. But OpenAI's GPT-5 launched last week, and Anthropic's Claude for financial services on July 15 have investors hitting the brakes. Aviva investors Kunal Kothari says these models are multiples more capable, shaking up business models like LSEG's financial data services. Meanwhile, broader markets are soaring. FTSE 100 up 2.5%, Stock 600 up 0.6%, and U.S. indexes smashing records. Here's the kicker. These stocks trade at crazy multiples. SAP at 45 times earnings versus Stock's 17. Hedge fund CIO Bernie Akong says they're prime targets for bad news. But hold up. Lazard's Steve Brifford predicts markets will soon spot winners, echoing NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's 2017 bombshell where he said AI is going to eat software. But not every bite is equal. Is this a bargain buy or the end game for some? Markets might pick winners soon. What's your take? AI hype or real danger? Drop it in the comments. Smash that like button if you're riding the tech wave, and subscribe to GadInsider for more market explosions. Hit the bell and don't miss the next big shakeup.